Hey, welcome back. Just let your mind settle for a moment. Take a deep breath. Today we are going to explore something really important because before we talk about telepathy or deep perception, we need to understand this. How does your brain actually communicate? Not just with others, but within itself. Right now, as you are listening to me, your brain is incredibly active. Billions of neurons, tiny cells, are constantly sending signals to each other. These signals are electrical and chemical. Think of it like a massive network where messages are being passed every second. When you see something, hear something, or even think something, your brain is communicating internally. So before we ever read someone else, your brain is already busy interpreting the world. Let's simplify this. A neuron sends a signal using a tiny electrical impulse. That signal travels and then jumps across a small gap to the next neuron using chemicals called neurotransmitters. This process happens incredibly fast, faster than you can consciously realize, which is why you don't feel the process. You just experience the result, a thought, an emotion, a reaction. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Your brain is constantly looking for patterns. It's trying to predict what someone will say, how someone feels, what might happen next. And it does this using past experiences, memory, and subtle cues. This is what creates something we call intuition. That gut feeling you get, it's not random, it's your brain processing patterns below your awareness. Now let's bring this into communication. When you interact with someone, your brain is picking up facial expressions, eye movements, tone of voice, body language, even pauses in speech. And all of this happens automatically. So sometimes you just know something feels off. They are happy, they are hiding something. Even if they didn't say a word, this is not telepathy in the sci fi sense, but it's something powerful, deep human perception. There's also something called mirror neurons. These are special brain cells that activate when you do something or when you see someone else do the same thing. This is part of why you feel pain when someone else gets hurt. You smile when someone else smiles. You feel tension in a room instantly. It's like your brain is reflecting others, and this creates a kind of shared experience. Now let's gently connect this back to our course. If your brain is constantly sending signals, reading patterns, interpreting subtle cues, mirroring others' emotions, then it's not surprising that sometimes communication feels almost effortless, almost like you didn't need words at all. And that's the space we are exploring. Not supernatural, but refining your natural abilities to such a level that connection becomes deeper, faster, and more intuitive. Let's try something simple. Think of someone you know well. Now imagine them smiling. Pause for a moment. Did you feel something shift inside you? Maybe a slight warmth or familiarity. That's your brain simulating, connecting, responding. This is where everything begins. You don't need to add anything new to yourself. Your brain is already incredibly powerful. We are just slowing things down, becoming aware, and sharpening what's already there. So, as you continue this course, stay curious about your own mind because understanding yourself is the first step to understanding others. In the next lesson, we'll explore something even deeper, the conscious versus subconscious mind, and how most of your perception happens beneath the surface. I'll see you there.